Dad.
Hello.
Oh God. Hey, how you doing?
I'm,
Um, are you okay?
I'm feeling good.
Oh, I didn't know that. I'm sorry. Um,
Yeah.
the roads got blocked. I haven't been able to make it over there to where y'all are at.
Okay.
Do you need flu medicine? Over the counter stuff?
No. No.
Is it the daylight burners?
What?
Is it from the daylight burning?
No.
Okay.
No. I just don't feel good.
Okay. Get some rest. Try to drink as plenty of water as you can.
Yeah.
Uh, Let me know if I could do anything. I can get over the counter stuff in 3 weeks.
Okay. I'm alright, Nikki. Alright?
Yes.
I'm okay.
Okay, okay. Alright, I love you. Have a good day.
I love you too. You have a safe day.
Yes, have a safe day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I love y'all. Bye bye.
Love you too, Nikki. Bye-bye.